Welcome everyone. Tonight will be the start of my new and improved Master Designs camera. And tonight we're going to draw a teddiursa from Pokemon Johto Journeys. Teddiursa is basically a normal type. Well, basically he's from the Johto region. And, well, let's have a look at some of his moves. Just to sum up. Let's see, teddiursa. Let's see. There we go. The little bear Pokemon. This Pokemon licks its palms that are sweetened by being soaked in honey. It conducts its own honey by blending fruits and pollen collected by Beedrill. Its attacks are Fling, Covet, Scratch, Lick, Feint Attack, Sweet Scent, Play Nice, Slash, Charm, Rest, and Snore. Anyhow, drawing teddiursa is kind of easy. First, you have to draw the eyes, and then the crescent moon on his forehead. Now you just draw this. And done. Now you just draw the claws. And to be honest, well, teddiursa, definitely one of my favorite Johto region Pokemon. There we go. Here are the feet. And there he is. That's how you draw a teddiursa. Anyhow, this is the first time I ever drew this guy using my new and improved camera. And, well, it's going to take some time for me to master this thing. I need to be very gentle with it. And for all of you to know, this episode has been, well, a very good thing. And, well, I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Just what I needed. My stage light. Stegosaurus, see you later, everyone.